oh, oh.
Gotta turn back. Gotta get a rack.
Perfect. 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 Do you want to go across to that little town?
I'm up for whatever.
Some real roads?
Absolutely.
We just gotta cross those railroad tracks. Oh, full length adventure. Forgot new tire. Yeah, so we're gonna try and make this a full length adventure through town a little bit. Figured I'd warm it up a little bit.
Yeah, might as well.
I'm getting some shakes, but I think it's just, it wasn't doing it the other day, so I think it's just that fresh tire feel or something. Maybe I didn't put enough air in it. Or
This is spinning.
the rim?
Yeah, the rim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was.
I just gotta get it warmed up.
Soon we'll get another tire on that one too, but it's still got some life, right?
Oh yeah, it's got some life.
Ah!
No!
Oh! Alright. Well.
Just say excuse me, can you get me through?
Yeah. I wonder though. I wonder, is that road closed?
Probably not. We can go around.
Oh, I'm telling you, Cruz knows how to handle that XL well. Oh, stones. My shoes are destroyed from doing exactly this. It's for a good cause though. Actually a hell of a stretch.
Yeah. We better keep it in shape here.
Come on, yo.
We'll wait for this this car to go.
No, bro. No. No.
It's fine.
Come on, bro. Oh my god, this man. Just remember I can't go as fast. Oh man, do I have some wobble back there. Kids, don't try this at home. Trained professionals. Oh, we'll go to the left.
This is Cruz's head cam where I give the best head on YouTube.
Private drive. I see that sign.
Shit.
Hold up, let me look at the GPS real quick and see if there's another way over to Sankertown. Because those are some smooth roads. I mean, I feel like that's kind of dangerous, but... Well, okay, if we keep going up this way, on the right, there is a Pennsylvania Ave that'll lead right over into Sankerstown. And it looks like...
Go that way.
Yeah, it's up the road, almost just as... It's like a little bit...
Steep hill, wasn't it?
Oh shit, you're right. Under the bridge and... Yeah, it is a steep hill actually. Here, meet me at the end here. I want to see how bad this downhill is.
Are you talking about this hill here?
Yeah.
We can go down that. I thought you were talking about all the way back there.
Let's do it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
You better go, boy!
Right here, yep. Yeah. Oh shit. Shit.
Holy shit. He's pulling.
Sick. We do have one car behind us. We'll let him pass.
Here, let's pull up here. We were down here last time.
Dude, that driveway. Oh, she's getting used on the way out of town. Street run, everyone. Yeah. No mirror though, so I gotta keep looking behind me. That XL feels a lot safer. This is a little bit faster, but at what cost? I don't know.
I'm trying to be conservative right now. I don't want to scare anybody with my my sick tricks. We'll let them go. He gives a thumbs up.
Did he really?
Yeah, he did.
That's awesome, dude.
About to check out that ass.
Huh?
Huh? Nothing.
Oh boy. Oh God, the hills. Yep. Not impressed. Oh!
My shoes would be fucking shredded.
Oh, dude. Shit. Damn. If you like these random adventures, let us know. If you don't, let us know in the comments below. We're going to do the same thing as last week, post the full-length adventure of this episode next Sunday. And again, same thing as last week. That'll be mostly unedited and full-length. If you want to see more mods, crazy carts, Surons, full-length adventures, make sure to subscribe. As always, this is all I have for tools and a stand. This is all I've ever needed for basic tools to get everything you see on this channel done. And if I have to go get something new, you guys will be the first to know. And if you're not already subscribed to my IG, you should be. But for those of you that are, you know I've been teasing for a long time a mini moto. We didn't forget about the e-scoot. That's still coming, probably in just 2 weeks from now too. But this is about to go 50 miles an hour. Like I said, stay tuned folks. Until next time.